Let's design these aftermarket 3-piece wheels using Fusion 360 software. We start with a 2D sketch, which we will then turn into a 3-dimensional file and 3D print to perfectly replicate the wheels on this customer's car. Just like that, our 3D design is brought into reality using our 3D printer.
A bit off, so it's hard to tell. I think we put a touch of bronze in this mixture. It's going to look exactly like how we need it to. So, substantially darker. And there's the final color. I'm really happy with how that reflects the actual car. Liquid chrome.
I 3D print the tires and then use a mixture of rubber black and matte black. After a lot of tests, I found the perfect tolerance that the tires and wheels just slide right into each other. Using the same technique I used to design the wheels, I designed the brakes in 2 parts, and then 3D printed and CNC milled out the brakes. Here's a side commission that I'm doing for our friend Albert with the GT3. The response to these builds has been honestly overwhelming, so thank you guys so much. I'll still be taking out a small number of pieces. If you'd like your car brought into this format at this scale, you can reach out through the email below. This is the automotive 2K clear coat that we use for this build. I start with 1000 grit sandpaper and wet sand the clear coat smooth. The parts of the roof that you see that are still shiny and not matte require more wet sanding until the entire surface is a matte finish. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys remember from our last build, we did a giveaway for this Pikes Peak Tacoma that I did in the last video. This build was really fun, so if you haven't had a chance to check it out, go to this video. Link will be in the description. Now, anybody who bought a 64 Customs hat was entered to win this, so let's spin the roll and see who won this one of one 64 Customs Pikes Peak Tacoma. Stephen W. Stephen W. is from Quebec, Canada. I'm going to be shipping this one of one 64 Customs Tacoma your way, so keep your eye out in the mail. Guys, stay tuned for the next 64 Customs build because that one will be given away as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the next one. And of course, a big thank you to Ariel for commissioning this build of his beautiful Porsche 911. Peace.